The question is, A can finish the work in 24 days, B can finish in 9 days, and C in 12 days. B and C start the work but are forced to leave after 3 days. Remaining work was done by A. You have to calculate in how many days A completed the remaining work. So here you can see B completed in 9 days and C completed in 12 days. They together worked. So first we will take out in how many days B and C completed the work. So in 1 day work we will take out B 1 upon C. This is the 1 day work. B is given as 1 upon 9. B can finish the work in 9 days and C in 12 days. So 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 12. Take out the LCM. The LCM is 36 and we will get 9 4s plus 3s, that is 7 by 36. Now we will take out the work done by B and C in 3 days. B and C started the work but forced to leave after 3 days. 3 days they left. So work done by B and C in 3 days. So we have calculated this. In 3 days, how will take out 7 by 36 into 3? That is 3 12s are, that is 7 by 12. Okay. Now we will find out the remaining work. That this much work is already done, and what is the remaining work that should be done by A? So we will minus it by 1 and we will get 5 by 12. Now 5 by 12 we get. Now we have to calculate what the remaining work to be done by A. So we already knew that they have already given A can finish the work in 24 days. So here we will take out, we have got 7 by 12 into 24, that is 12. 2s, that is 10 days. So here we get the answer. A completed the work in 10 days. This is the answer.